All right, guys, today we're working out of our storage room where we keep all of the product. And as can you see, it's a little junky, little mess. But even though it looks like a little mess with everything, I do have my own little system going on in here, so I do know where everything is at. And with this business, it's important to keep your shipping area or your working area in order to make the shipping much faster. So what we're going to do today, we're going to try to clean this up a little bit, get a little bit more space so we can get more product up in here to list on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari. Now guys, if you don't have a shipping setup yourself, you need to get one. You need to have some type of system in order to make things smooth and fast. So let me just give you a quick rundown of how my systems work. All right, so I got a few shoe racks, which I do have plan on getting a few more. Once I clean this area out, I'll be able to put a few more shoe racks up in here. Right now the shoes are all just bundled together, but I am going to create a system where they're by size, so when I do sell them, I'll be able to just go to the rack that has size 7, size 8, size 9, and find a corresponding shoe that's sold, and we'll go from there. Now, as far as the bin system, this is more for like the clothes. And these bags, I ran out of bins, so I have them numbered. So these are the custom SKUs for some of the clothing. So I do have them all. Like this is bin N and bin G. And as you can see, you have the letter and a number. And this is how they're numbered with the custom SKUs on eBay. Now, all of my bulkier stuff are in the boxes. And even with the boxes, their letter on the boxes. This is box A, this is box C. So I know when something sells to go to that box, and inside that box will be the product. All right, so let's go ahead and start straightening this out a little bit, make some more room, and see how much progress we get done today. A small dent in the work for today. You can see we got a little open area. All right, adjust this a little bit. All right, there. Got rid of one of the boxes. About to get rid of about 2 more boxes from that side, condense them, and should be a little bit better. Then all our packaging boxes, we're gonna tidy that side up over there a little bit. Right here in this corner over there. Tidy that up a little bit. And we got all our packaging boxes, along with our UPS boxes, the postal service over there. All right, so this is what the inventory space looks like after we made the cleanup. As you can see, we have a clear walk path to the shoes. We have a clear walk path to the shelving system. We condense a lot of these boxes into one. Everything's still labeled and can be found easily. We have a clear walk path now, not like before where it was all bunched up. So now we have room to add more stuff. We kind of condensed some of the boxes. As you can see, I broke some of them down, pushed them in the corner. So now we are pretty much ready for new inventory to get up in here. All right, guys, that's the breakdown of our inventory setup. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. And until next time, this is Sean Bajan HBK.